Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I am here to do a little haul. And I got in my Spellbinders April large and small die set, and I got in a couple other things. So you'll have to forgive my fingernails because I've been in here crafting and working and crap around the house. So I need to redo my nails. They're terrible. Okay, thanks. So, you'll have to ignore that because, ew. Alright, first let's start with the Spellbinders. So, this is the large die set for March, or for April, I'm sorry. And I looked at it, and I was not that thrilled. I'm like, what the heck am I supposed to do with this? And you see the back, and I was just like, yeah. But I watched a couple how-to tutorial videos, and I was like, okay. I'm not overly thrilled with this one. It makes a little gift card holder and the bag to put it in, and like this is supposed to be tissue paper, and I'm like, okay. Yeah, I was not thrilled with this one because you can just crinkle up some paper. You don't need to die to make some paper to stick in there. And I didn't like how this was done. And this is okay. I just wasn't thrilled with the large die set, which is sad because for the most part, I absolutely love their die sets. But I think this month was a fail for me. Now, the small die set, which is funny because, I mean, it's this small. I went ahead and put it on a magnetic sheet because it would fit, and I was so excited. So, this is the April one, and it is layered flowers. So, if you look at the back, you can see how it's layered, and it looks like those stamping layered flowers. So, at first when I looked at it, I was like, interesting. Then I went to go look at, you know, a how-to video, and I was like, oh, okay, I get this. Okay, now that makes more sense. But it's flowers, so, you know, pretty much anytime you have flowers, it's not that bad. So, I cut some of these out, and I'm going to show you. Now, I just cut them out of scrap paper that I had sitting here from other projects. So, let me start with, you could do them very plain. So, this is this big die here with one of these little puffy centers. And then I did it again, just using scrap. Now, this is cute. This is where it gets to be cuter. So I used this die, this die, this die, one of these, and then one of these smaller pieces. So then you get the layered look. Isn't that cute? Now I like that. And then here's one in a different color. Well, a different arrangement of colors. Because, like I said, I just used what I had from a leftover. So then you have this one, and this one. And it looks like this if you just put a plain, you know, mix some of the other ones together. So not bad. You could go back and add some, you know, lines and stuff if you wanted to. Then I've mixed this back with this piece there. And so I like that. Kind of reminds me of like a lily pad kind of thing going on. And then this is this with a little one of these on the top. Now these I love. Look at that. So you can see the 4 layers. So there's definitely a difference between if you just do like the one layer with something and then the additional layers on top. Ooh, love it. And then these are, okay, so there's another one. Oh, Cheeto is visiting. So there's that one. And then this one is these 2 here and then one of these smaller ones. And I love that. Isn't that cute? So, I liked the April small die set. Not overly thrilled with the large die set. I might even de-stash this one. Okay, so that's that. Put that out the way. Then I got, let's do Tattered Lace. So, oh my gosh, create and craft sometimes works my last nerve. Okay, so I ordered this all the way at the beginning of March. It is now April, what, 14th when I'm doing this video. This die came like yesterday or the day before. And it came after I already told them that, look, this die never came, I never got it, da-da-da-da. Just ridiculousness. Now, this is what this die looks like. So you have all these circles. with the Greek key. And it will look good with the Tonic circle dies as well. I don't know how far down they'll fit, but so I love that. It's so cool. So I did get that. And then I finally broke down and bought this keepsake bookmaker photo and film set that goes with the Tonic create a die book, or create a album books, whatever they call it, memory books. Thank you. So this film strip I thought was really cool. When I saw it, I was like, oh, that's cool, but I didn't want to pay what they were asking for. There's just some things I'm not going to pay for. So I got it at a decent price, and with the new books that came out, I was like, oh, this will be so cute. So this is what this set looks like. And there's your film strip, so cute. And what is fabulous is they gave you these little pieces so that you could cut your images or whatever so they would actually fit into the film strip, which is fabulous. Then you have this piece here, which creates a little Polaroid thing, and then like a matte and layer piece over here, and then all the words in the corners. So I did cut out that little pouch. And so it looks like this. Obviously there's some white, so you look like that. This comes out of the center here, right? And you just slide whatever you want to in there. Now I had this Graphic 45 tag sitting on my desk, and I was like, I want to know if that fits. It actually fits in there. It fits perfectly. See that? So you could put your image right there on it and pull it in and out. And then you could use this. You know what I mean? You could use this for placement on your tag so that you get it right. So if I put that right there on this tag, it should fit in the window. So cool. And then what you would use these words to do is cut it in here. You could cut it in there. You could do it wherever you want to, but that's how that works. So I thought that was fabulous. And those little items just made my day when they came. So that's my little haul with my little demos. I'm going to put these over here because they're about to go on some Easter cards. All right. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.